In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a form on Zoho Creator. We'll start right from the Zoho Creator dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the workspace that contains your app. From the home screen, locate the application that holds the form you want to change. Open the app, then look for the specific form you want to edit. You can spot it from the list of forms inside the app. Click the form's name to open it. This takes you to the live view of the form, which is perfect for confirming you're about to edit the right one. With the form open, move into editing mode by selecting Edit this application. This switches you from the live, user-facing experience to the app builder, where you can safely make structural changes. If you don't see the option, double-check that you have the right permissions in this workspace. The goal is to enter the builder environment for the same app and form you just opened. Next, choose Open Form Builder. This opens the drag-and-drop form editor, where you'll make most of your changes. Give it a moment to load. You should see a canvas in the center showing your current form layout, along with a panel that contains all available field types you can add. This is the best place to adjust labels, positioning, and other field level settings while previewing how your changes look. To edit a field that already exists on the form, click directly on that field in the canvas. A settings panel will appear for that field. This is where you can rename the field label, adjust help text, and update basic properties. If you simply want to rename what users see, edit the field's display label. Be mindful that changing the internal field name, if exposed, can impact references in formulas or workflows. When in doubt, stick to the label unless you have a reason to modify the internal name. As you make edits, keep an eye on the form preview to ensure spacing and alignment still look good. Type the new label or text you want to use for that field. Keep labels short, clear, and action-oriented so end users immediately understand what to enter. For example, full name is often clearer than name, and work email can prevent confusion with personal addresses. If the field collects specific formats, like a date or number, consider adding concise help text to guide users and reduce validation errors. Your changes update in real time in the builder, so you can instantly review how they appear. If you need to add more fields, look to the field section or palette. Click a field type that fits your data, text, number, email, date, dropdown, and so on, and drag it onto the form where you want it to appear. As you drop the field, the builder will indicate valid positions. After placing it, click the new field to configure its label and any required properties. Group related fields together to keep the form logical and easy to scan. If you're working with long forms, consider breaking them into sections to improve readability. When you're finished making edits, select Done. This action confirms the changes in the builder for this form. Take a quick moment to scan the canvas and ensure your updates look correct before you continue. If anything seems off, you can still click fields to adjust labels or reposition items before leaving the builder. Finally, return to the live app by choosing Access this application. This opens the user-facing version of your form so you can verify everything behaves as expected. Test the changes you made. Confirm the new labels appear, new fields accept the right inputs, and the overall layout is clean and consistent. If anything needs refining, head back into the builder and repeat the process. With these steps, you can confidently edit and enhance your Zoho Creator forms while keeping your data structure and user experience intact.